Jonathan Ruiz, your Palm Master, is back again. This time, I would like to share about retirement. No? So, ano ba yung meaning ng retirement para sa'yo? Actually, retirement is for those OFWs abroad. It's the time that they can go back home and they don't need to work anymore. Their monies, their savings, their pension fund can cover their living expenses. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-work because you have enough money that can cover your daily expenses. Especially if you work for almost 20 years or 30 years for whole life, for your whole life. So, it's the time for you to relax and do whatever you want. Pero, the reality is, maraming mga OFWs that they will go home and then at the end, they will just spend all their monies, their hard-earned money, and they will go back again abroad because they dried it up. Naubos na yung naipon mo. So, ano ba yung magandang suggestions or kailangan nating gawin para maiwasan yung mga ganong pangyayari sa buhay? Ako personally, what I'm trying to work out at the moment is to really learn, kung ano yung field na possibility is pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, pwede akong magtayo ng business, sideline business, na yung perang gagamitin ko doon is hindi naman lahat ng savings ko, ang mangyayari is meron kang enough money na naka-set aside para sa monthly expenses, then meron kang enough money or capital para sa future business na gagawin mo. Then hindi lang basta-basta yung pagtatayo mo ng business na yon. Kailangan meron ka ng knowledge, meron kang expertise, pinag-aralan mo, gumawa ka ng market research, meron kang business plan. So, para hindi ka rin ma-bored during your retirement. Aside from that, once yung business is maging successful, magkakaroon ka na ng monthly income doon aside from the pension fund na nare-receive mo. So, pwede ka na mayroon ka ng pera enough para sa pagta-travel, para sa leisure time mo, and for those people na nakadepende pa rin sa'yo kahit nag-retired ka na. Ang possibility rin kasi meron ka ng grandkids, mag-aaral sila, lalapit sila sa'yo, okay, lolo, lola, pwede po bang makahingi ng baon dyan? So, it's nice na meron kang maibibigay and lagi silang babalik sa'yo. Gano'ng kasarap yung pakiramdam na nakakapagbigay ka pa rin kahit hindi ka na nagtatrabaho. Then, ang naging culture din sa ating mga Pinoy, usually, pag ikaw ay matanda na, nakadepende ka na sa anak mo, sa ibibigay nila. Well, the truth is, dapat hindi na po ganun yung ginagawa natin. Dapat is, especially sa mga millennials o dun sa mga nagtatrabaho abroad right now, wag mo nang hintayin na dumating yung time na sila yung magsusupport for your needs. Dapat kaya mo nang suportahan yung sarili mo rin. Tinuturuan nga nating maging independent yung mga anak natin. What about you? Siyempre, dapat independent ka rin financially. So, eto po ulit, Jonathan Ruiz. Mabuhay po kayo.